I'll use this Sjokoladekake from Toro. This is a powder of chocolate cake that's ready to bake, so it's not so take a long time to make from scratch. If you are a very busy person or you have little time, you can use this one, and the taste is very good. And here also there is the steps where you can follow how to make this. So today I'm gonna show you how to make chocolate cake from Toro Sjokoladekake. First we warm up the ovens in 180 degrees Celsius. Just keep as it is as long as we prepare for baking. So secondly, you just open this carefully because it's powder, so it can be spread out a little bit. Put into the mixer bowl, just like this. So ensure that all the ingredient inside is taking out from this bag, just like this. The next step is pouring the melted butter or margarine, or else also you can use the cooking oil. So in here I use the melted margarine or butter. And afterwards just pouring the waters. All the measurements are listed in the plastic bag. Time to mixing them up till they are equally balanced. It's pretty simple, right? It's not so difficult. We can also speed it up a little bit. Now since all ingredients are equal balanced, so we just turn off our mixer. That's it. Our chocolate ingredients are well mixed and ready to bake. Now we put the ingredients on the baking plate and then cover with the cake paper. Looks so yummy. Look at that. So we ensure that all these ingredients covers the surface of the baking pan. Just look like this. Now the ingredients is ready to bake. Put the ingredient into the ovens. For about 20 minutes. We will come back after 20 minutes. Now seems that alarm is sound, so meaning that it's already 20 minutes. So we take out the cake from the ovens. Wow! Wow, our chocolate cake has been made. We just test them a bit. Yeah, it's already a bit hard inside. Now we pour the cake with dry grated coconut, just like this, until it covers all part of the cake, chocolate cake.
Gimana dia misalnya?
Now our chocolate cake has been made, just like this, covered with dry grated coconut. Thank you for watching GB channel. Please subscribe, like and share our video. We would like to see you in our next video. Goodbye.